Hey students, how are you? Hope you're doing amazing. In this new section, we're going to be checking our new unit 4 in the town, and we're going to do an evaluation. Okay, I'm going to give you the instructions right away. So we're going to first start practicing questions. The first thing that we need to know is how to come up with questions. ¿Cómo hacemos las preguntas, right? So one good choice is to start with these two expressions. Is there a, hay un, en el caso de que sea singular, o sea, una cosa. So, is there a plane, or is there a shop, is there a school? In the case we have many things, si tenemos muchas cosas, we're going to choose are there. So, are there schools, are there shops, are there firefighters, are there children, are there many pencils, etc. So, is there, cada vez que hay solo una cosa, are there, cada vez que queremos saber si hay muchas cosas. Good? So, let's practice, I think. No. Wait. So, here we have examples, right? So, is there a shop? Is one example. Are there 5 shops? Right? So, that's the difference. Is there one shop? Are there 5 shops? Cuando hay una, is there. Cuando hay muchas o más de una, are there. Good. Now, we need to practice with some examples and activities, okay? So let's see. Is there a pizza? Yes, there is. We have one pizza. So, is there one pizza? Yes, there is. Is there a red plane? Yes, there is. Is there one red plane? Yes, there is. Como son solo uno, is there, right? Now, here it's a bit tricky because we have two things. We have two. Are there 2 superheroes? Yes, there are. Yes, there are. En este caso son 2, so are there, right? Yes, there are. Are there 2 pigs? Oink oink pigs, right? We have 1 pig, 2 pigs. Are there 2 pigs? Yes, there are. If I ask with are there, si pregunto con are there, mi respuesta va a ser there are. Yes, there are. Si pregunto con is there, my answer will be yes, there is, right? Con lo que me pregunten, yo tengo que responder. Good. So, are there 2 pigs? Yes, there are. And the negatives. ¿Qué pasa cuando no hay? What happens when there's nothing? Right? ¿Qué pasa si queremos decir que no hay? Me preguntan y yo quiero decir no, no hay. So, is there a cat? No, there isn't. Focus there. Fíjense cómo se escribe isn't. No, there isn't. No hay, right? No, there isn't. Estamos preguntando por una cosa. So, is there a cat? No, there isn't. Are there 8 cell phones? 8 cell phones? Are there 8 cell phones? Estoy preguntando si hay muchas de estas cosas celulares. Are there 8 cell phones? No, there aren't. There is 1 cell phone. So, no, there aren't. Are there? No, there aren't. Y luego respondo there is. Hay uno, right? There is 1 cell phone. Cada vez que hablemos de muchos, there is. There are. Cada vez que hablemos de solo uno, there is. So let's review. Let's check the rule. Vamos a revisar la regla completa. So for singular, is there a, right? And the possible answers, yes, there is, no, there isn't. For plurals, are there? Yes, there are, no, there aren't. So for singular, is there a bear? Is there a motorcycle? Or is there a bike? Yes, there is, si es que hay. No, there isn't, si es que no hay una. And for plurals, are there 3 pencils? Yes, there are, si es que tenemos 3 lápices. No, there aren't, if we don't, right? Good. So now, I think we're going to go to our evaluation. So in order to do this evaluation, you're going to need all your materials. Van a tener que ir a buscar todos sus materiales. So you're going to take your pencil case, notebook, or worksheet. So the pencil case, el estuche, right? Your pencil case. The notebook, el cuaderno, right? Not this notebook, not this notebook. I mean the paper notebook, right? El cuaderno. O si es que pueden imprimir la guía que les envié, the worksheet, right? Si no la pueden imprimir, entonces el cuaderno. Para los que no pueden imprimir su guía, pueden hacer esta prueba en el cuaderno y luego me mandan la fotografía. Para los que sí pueden imprimir, la van respondiendo en la misma guía. Okay? So, you're ready? Are you ready? Yes? I think you're ready. Let's start. So, here we have the test. It's your first test in English. You're going to write your name and the class that you belong. Is it CM1A, CM1B, or CM1C, right? ¿A qué curso pertenece? Your name, su nombre completo, and the date. What day is it today? Is it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? What's the date when you did this test? La fecha en que hicieron esta prueba, right? Then, we're going to start with the first part. You're going to listen to me, me van a escuchar, and you're going to tick or cross. If what I say is correct, you're going to tick. If what I say is wrong, you're going to cross. Okay? Si lo que digo está correcto, if it's true, le hacen un ticket. Si lo que digo está incorrecto, you do a cross. Okay? So, number 1. I'm going to widen this so you can all see perfectly well. Number 1 says... Wait. There. Number 1 says, there is a school in front of a park. There is a school in front of a park. If it's true, si lo que ustedes ven en el número 1 es eso, le hacemos un, you do a ticket. If what you're looking at is not a school in front of a park, you do a cross. Good. Number 2. There is a stable next to a swimming pool. Number 2. There is a stable next to a swimming pool. Si lo que ustedes ven ahí en number 2 is a stable next to a swimming pool, you do a ticket, hacen un ticket. If what you see there is not a stable next to a swimming pool, you do a cross. Good. Great. Number 3, up here. Number 3. There is a shop between a bank and a school. So, there is a shop between a bank and a school. Is that correct? If it's correct, you tick it. If it's not correct, you cross. Again, number 3. There is a shop between a bank and a school. Great. Let's move on. Number 4. There is a hospital opposite a restaurant. There is a hospital opposite a restaurant. So if what you see is a hospital opposite a restaurant, you tick it. If that's not correct, you cross. Good. Number 5. There is a station behind a park. Number 5. There is a station behind a park. Is that correct? Station behind a park. And number 6. There is a bridge between a school and a swimming pool. There is a bridge between the school and the swimming pool. If that's correct, you tick it. If it's wrong, you cross. There you go. Next activity. Here, you're going to write questions and answers. So you have half of the information and you need to complete. So number 1 says, is there a... ¿Sobre qué vamos a preguntar? ¿Qué sale ahí en ese dibujito el número 1? Is there a... bla bla bla, question mark. Hacemos el signo de interrogación. Is there a... bla bla bla? Yes, there is. Or no, there isn't. Y ahí ustedes tienen que responder correctamente, de acuerdo a esta imagen que vemos aquí. So, is there a... bla bla bla? Yes, there is. Si ustedes ven esto aquí, yes, there is. Si ustedes no lo ven, no, there isn't. And then we move on with number 2, 3, 4. And remember, recuerden, deben ser la pregunta con la respuesta. Yo les di una ayudita aquí arribita, justo acá arriba. You have the 2 options. Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Good. Ok, pero sí tienen que conocer las palabras de estas imágenes de acá arriba, de acá al ladito, las cortitas, las pequeñas, right? Number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. Great. And finally, I think it's finally, right? Is it finally? Yes, it's finally. You're going to match. Vamos a unir, solo unir, with a line, the word with the correct picture. So, number 1 is a restaurant, right? Number 2 is a shop, a park, a bridge, a school, a station, a bank, or a hospital. What is it? Si lo están haciendo en el cuaderno, van a escribir number 1 y al ladito ponen la palabra que corresponda, right? Escriben la palabra que corresponda. Number 2 and the word. Number 3 and the word, right? Para los que hicieron en el cuaderno la número 2, the writing activity, estas preguntas, solo escribir las preguntas igual que los que están haciéndolo en la guía. Y para los que están haciendo el cuaderno, el listening, el número y el ticket o la cruz, right? And that's it, guys. That's the end. So well done. I'm pretty sure you're going to do amazing. Estoy segura que les va a ir muy bien. Please send me your photographs. Remember to send them to Pronote, ¿ok? Envíenme sus trabajos a Pronote. Si tienen complicaciones para enviarlos a Pronote, siempre los puedo recibir en mi correo, ¿ok? And that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Take care and enjoy your week and your weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.